Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the intersection of timeless wisdom and cutting-edge architecture. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of permaculture-infused exteriors, homes that seamlessly blend sustainable principles with striking visual appeal. Permaculture is a design approach that harmonizes with nature, creating living systems that are both functional and regenerative. As we explore these innovative exteriors, you'll discover how this holistic philosophy shapes the very fabric of a building's design, transforming the way we interact with the world around us. Get ready to be inspired by the marriage of sustainability and sophistication. Let's embark on a journey through the captivating realm of permaculture-inspired exteriors. Imagine approaching a home where the landscape is more than just a visual delight. It's an integral part of the living system. In these permaculture-influenced designs, the line between ornamental and functional elements blurs, creating a space that is as productive as it is beautiful. Envision a landscape that invites interaction, with pathways that lead you through a tapestry of diverse plantings. The exterior design incorporates elements that support sustainability, such as water management systems and composting areas, demonstrating a closed-loop approach to resource use. The architecture itself complements the landscape, with features designed to support the surrounding environment, making the exterior a living, breathing extension of the home. Next, imagine an exterior where natural materials create a deep connection between the home and its environment. These surfaces might feature textures and finishes that evoke a sense of authenticity and timelessness, seamlessly blending the structure with its surroundings. The materials used in these designs are chosen not just for their aesthetic appeal, but for their sustainability and low environmental impact. Each element contributes to the home's overall harmony with nature, reflecting the principles of permaculture in every detail. The result is an exterior that feels organic and integrated, a testament to the power of using natural materials to create spaces that are both sustainable and visually striking. Now, let's explore a home that is designed with the sun in mind, using its natural energy to enhance comfort and reduce environmental impact. In these permaculture-influenced designs, orientation and layout are carefully considered to maximize natural light and temperature regulation. Imagine an exterior where the positioning of windows, walls, and outdoor spaces all contribute to a balanced and energy-efficient environment. The design may include features that enhance passive solar gain, allowing the home to stay warm in winter and cool in summer without excessive energy use. This thoughtful approach not only minimizes the home's carbon footprint, but also creates outdoor spaces that are comfortable and inviting throughout the year. As we conclude our exploration of permaculture-infused exteriors, we're reminded of the transformative power of design that works in harmony with nature. These homes go beyond aesthetics, representing a commitment to sustainability and a deeper connection with the environment. The features we've explored, integrated landscapes, natural materials, and solar-oriented design, demonstrate that beauty and functionality can coexist in a way that benefits both the inhabitants and the planet. These exteriors are not just visually stunning, they are examples of how design can nurture a regenerative relationship with the world around us. We hope this journey has inspired you to think about how you might incorporate these principles into your own living spaces. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's sustainability or simply create a more harmonious environment, permaculture offers a path to a more connected and sustainable way of living. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of permaculture-infused design. Until next time, may your homes be a reflection of your values and a celebration of sustainable living.